How to fix Instagram Notes color change not working. This tutorial shows you how to report the issue to Instagram support. First, open the Instagram app on your Android device. After that, tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner. From there, tap on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner. At this point, tap on Settings from the menu. In the next step, scroll down and tap on Help. Following this, tap on Report a Problem. Once done, you'll see options to describe your issue. From here, tap on Something isn't working to report the Notes color change bug. At this stage, type a brief description like Notes color change feature is not working in the text field. After this, you can also include screenshots if needed by tapping the attachment icon. Once completed, tap Submit to send your report to Instagram support team. Finally, wait for Instagram to respond via notification or fix the issue in an upcoming update. And that's it. If this bug report guide helped you report the Instagram Notes issue, give it a like, subscribe for more Instagram tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.